For 5 and 6, we need to write an equation in point-slope form for the line through the given point with the given slope. So they give us a point, they give us a slope. One thing we need to recall is what is our point-slope form. It looks like this. We have our output minus x or y1, which is a point, and then we have our slope x minus x1. Okay, this is something we need to remember. We need to have this memorized because this is our what we have to plug these numbers into. All right, we just have to remember which order. So m is slope. That's going to be 3 over 5 for the first one. x1 is our x coordinate, which is 4, and negative 6 is our y1 coordinate. So if you want to kind of write this down, I know we talked about kind of easy way to remember. You want to write them down. There's x1, y1, and we should have a y and an x still there. Okay, so let's plug this in. We have our y minus a negative 6. Our y is a negative 6, so we have two minus signs, minus here and a minus here, two negative signs. Then we have our slope, which is 3 over 5. Then we have our x minus 4. Alright, so we just need to match which one of these down here matches this one. One thing to recall is that if you have subtract a negative, that's the same as addition, so this is going to be like a big plus sign. So this one right away has a negative 6, so that's not right. This has a negative 4, that's not, I want a plus 6. This one has a plus 6, this one has a plus 6. Looks pretty good. But if you look at the two, what is the difference? This one does not have a parenthesis, this one does have parentheses, and we need to have parentheses here. To get rid of parentheses, we have to distribute, and they did not distribute over there. So C would be a great answer. Alright, feel free to rewatch this part of the video, but I would suggest pausing it right now and trying to do number 6 on your own, and then rewatching the video to see if you got the correct answer. I'm going to work on it in just a moment here, but this is your chance to pause it if you want to. Alright, chance is passed. Here we go. Here's my x1, here's my y1, here's my slope. So I'm going to do y minus my y1, which is 6 in this case. Okay, my slope is next, negative 3 over 5. Parentheses, x minus my x1, which in this case is 3. And parentheses, and I'm done. I just need to find which one of these it matches with. So I need a negative 6, and I need a negative 3 over here. So negative 6, negative 3. This one looks pretty good. This has positive 6, positive 3. Negative 3, negative 6. So they flip their x and y, right? And here they have positive 6, so definitely not that one. So A would be an excellent choice. Okay. Key things to remember here. Negative 6, whether it looks like a positive over here, but actually is a negative because of the negative down here. Okay. Please, review this. Make sure you know how to do point-slope form. On the test, you will not always be given multiple choice, so be ready to write this down. Don't just think about, look for the correct answer. You might have to actually write it out into a form equation, okay? All right, if you have questions.